Yeah, g'day. Today, real quick, just want to show you how to fix a timber stud wall to a concrete floor. This is how I've done it ever since I got into the civil concrete game, actually. But a couple of ways of doing it. This is the way I found the most effective, is to using a hammer drill. Now, depending on the fixing that you want to use, today I'm going to use a 75mm. It's just like a roofing screw yeah, it's a back screw. For concrete, I use a 5.5mm. If you're going into brickwork or blockwork, you're better off to use a 5mm. So pretty much, it's as simple as drill a hole, drill it in. Next hole, say for instance, this one I've already done, but this is just a guide to show you how to do it, how I do it. Grab a screw. Then I just blow it off. I don't know why, it's just a nice, neat and clean job, but anyway. How to fix a timber stud wall or any bit of timber for any reason into a bit of concrete or masonry, or it could even be concrete here and drilling into the wall there to hold it. Anyway, that's it for today. Drilling into concrete, Bob's your uncle, but I'm Ian.